Hi everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. So here there are two important questions. These questions are very useful for our forthcoming bank examinations like IBPS, RBI, SBI PO and clerical and SSC examinations. So now first see the question. Ravi borrowed some money at the rate of 4% PA for 4% PA for first 3 years and the rate of 8% PA for the next 2 years and at the rate of 9% PA for the beyond 5 years. If he pays a total simple interest of rupees 19,550 at the end of the 7 years, how much money did he borrow? So first understand the question, what they are given and what they are asking. So here they are asking the how much money did he borrow? That means they are asking the principal. But what they are given? They are given a total simple interest of rupees 19,550. So they have given the interest and asking the principal. So remember our TP method. Always write whatever given right in the first column and whatever asking right in the second column. Here what they are given? SI given. So whatever they are given right in the first column and what they are asking, how much money, that means they are asking the principal. So this is our concept always. So by choosing this concept, this method, this TP method, we are in a position to solve any type of questions in this method very easily. Okay, then remember what is the formula to find SI? SI is equal to PTR by 100. Okay, na? This everybody knows. So SI is equal to PTR by 100. So remember, in either simple interest or compound interest or percentage or profit and loss, all the 4 chapters are related to the same concept. Say like that is here say P is equal to 100. In compound interest also say P is equal to 100. In profit and loss say CP is equal to 100. In percentage chapter say any number is equal to 100. So by applying this 100 method we can easily solve. So when P is 100 then here what is the P value? P is 100. So 100 into T is equal to say T into R by 100. So this 100 should be cancelled. Now what is the balance? So SI is equal to TR. So this is our TP method. So remember when P is 100, formula to find SI is equal to TR. This is very important one. So formula to find SI is equal to TR. Okay, now come here. So here what they are given 4% for 3 years means from here we are in a position to find out the simple interest now, because SI means simple interest TR. So TR 3 into 4 12, 2 into 8 16, like this we have to find out no. Now come to the finding the SI. So already we have seen when P is equal to 100, SI is equal to TR. Now come to the question, 4% for 3 years. Okay, 4% for 3 years. Then another one 8% for 2 years, 8% for 2 years, and another one 9% for beyond 5 years, means not 5 years. So 5 years kadiyada. So 5 years beyond 5 means 3 plus 2 5. Aduk mele. So total how many years? 7 years. So out of 7 years, already 5 years. 3 plus 2 5 years already gone. So now what is the balance? 2 years. So this is 2 years, not 5 years. Remember, please understand here. So beyond 5 years means not 5 years. Beyond 5 means 5 varsham mele irundadu nartham. Then so now here rate of interest and time. So from here we get the simple interest. Evala simple interest paakalama? 4 3s how much? 12. 8 2 7 16. 9 2 7 18. So మొత్తం ఎవలా 12 plus 18 30 plus 16 46. Okay, then so when P is 100, what is the SI? 46. Okay, then come here. When P is 100, so what is SI? SI is 46. So this is hours. Then P is 100. SI is equal to 46 is ours. But as per the problem, what is the simple interest they have given? 19,550. Okay, so 19,550. Then what is the principal? So remember like this. So always take the cancellation up and up or up and down. Up and up or up and down. You never cancel these two terms because this always takes a cross multiplication. Now take the cancellation by 2. 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6. 2 9s 18, 2 7 14, then 2 7 14, 2 5s. Cancel. Now 23 is a prime number, no? So 23 with 9 7 7 5. 21 23. 23 4s. 23 4s how much? 92. 92 means 57. Then 23 2s 46. Then 115. For 23 5s 425. This is equal to. Now 425 into 100. This takes always cross multiplication, no? So 425 into 100 is equal to 42500. So this is my answer. So remember in future by taking practice. So all these are no need to do. So directly we can solve. How we can solve? See here. Okay. So directly. So without writing all these items we can solve. How? So 4 3 so much? 12. If possible keep in mind that is. Then 8 2 so much? 16. Then 9 beyond 5 no. Totally 7 years no. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. That is 2. 9 2s how much? 18. So total how much? 46. When 46 is interest, principal is equal to 100. But as per the problem, 19,550. Then what is the principal? That's all. Only these two steps we can solve. So no need to do all these two. But remember, when P is 100, formula to find SI is equal to TR. That is the main concept for entire simple interest. Now come to question number 2. So another question paakalam. 2 equal sums of money are deposited in 2 different banks. First part at 5% simple interest for 4 years and second part at 4% simple interest for 6 years. If the difference between the two interest is 800 rupees, find the sum deposited in each bank. Okay. Enna solranga? Enna kekranga? Okay. 5% for 4 years. So first sum 5 rate of interest 4 varsam. Then 4% simple interest 6%. If the difference between the two interest is 800, in this question they have given the simple interest. In this question they are giving the difference between the first part interest and second part interest. Okay. Now already we know that when P is equal to 100, SI is equal to how much? SI is equal to TR. So this TP method, our TP turning point method. Okay, then come here. So 5% is for 4 years. 5% is for 4 years and second part is equal to 4% is for 6 years. 4% is for 6 years. By applying this rate of interest and time, we are in a position to find out the SI. Okay, then 5 4 so much? So SI is equal to 5 4 so much? 20 rupees. Then 4 6 so much? 24 rupees. But nammalku enna theva? Difference. So what is the difference here? 4. Difference how much? 4. So 20 and 24 difference is 4. So here what they are given? They are given the difference. Then what they are asking? They are asking the sum deposited, means principal asking. So difference they have given and asking the principal. But as for ours, when P is 100, but what is the difference here? 4 rupees. This is nammaladu. But as for the question, as for the problem, what is the difference they have given? 800 rupees. Then when difference is 800, then what is the principal? Now remember, always take up and up cancellation or up and down cancellation. This is our TP method. Okay, 4 1s, 4 2s 8, 0 0. Now 200 into 100 is equal to 20,000 rupees is the principal. So like this we have to solve. So we'll do more and more videos for TP Chennai. So please subscribe TP Chennai and share to your friends and relatives